Hey guys, I thought I'd give this YouTube stuff a bit of a go, just to get a bit behind the scenes of what's happening with me ute, off of TikTok and all that sort of stuff, as well as got another build and all that sort of stuff. But I need to make a tray for it. It's a bit worn out and dingy and sad. I never built one when I built the car, so yeah, all the supports and all that sort of stuff's all cracked. But yeah, I said I was going to make one when I first built the car, but I never did. I just kept doing other stuff. So yeah, don't mind the mess, it's a bit dirty, just come back from riding. I wasn't going to film building a tray, but here we are. The tray's off of my mate. He didn't want it anymore, I need it. I only need a new one for that one, so had to chop it down a little bit. Now it's 1750 by 2.2. Yeah, so I haven't really got too much of a plan what I'm going to do with it, but yeah, so just cleaned it all up, cleaned out all the support beams and all that sort of stuff. It was pretty full of a bit of dirt and all that since it's been on a ute. But yeah, I just need to go and make designs for it and see what I can make. Hopefully it comes out good on that one. After the longest time ever, I've actually thought I may as well try to get this tray done. So back from ages ago, I've got these side pieces, 100mm, just so it can fill up the side and I can pull it, start my taper. So it'll be a tapered side like that. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah. And just tacking all this, just tacking it all together, making sure it's square and all that sort of good stuff. But yeah. Okay, well, I got a lot done from last time I filmed. I don't mind my sickness, got the flu, but yeah, I got too carried away. But pretty much this is 100B50 headboard. I plan on, changed the whole plan from the last one, but I plan on having the actual hoop sit over the back bubble there. It's going to be a bit more forward, fill up that gap, but yeah, and I've welded on my
So 100 be 3-4 mil, I think. And then I'm going to do tapered as before, but yeah, so that's all welded on, all that stuff. I'm just mocking up the frame and all that, and see how it goes.
Hey guys, Nick here. Welcome back to Walker Mechanical. Today we have our stand for the fucking headboard, which is incredibly dangerous, but here at Wog Industries we pride ourselves in doing everything in the most fucking scary way. That compromises absolutely everything we stand for, which is safety. Yeah, hopefully we don't get hurt, but we'll see what happens.
We do the most ghetto fucking setup ever, but brother, we get the job done.
Also, I don't know what I'm going to do for this part, because obviously this part goes over the bubble of my cab, so I can't put a crossbeam and put a design on it. I'm going to have to put the cab on. I think I'm just going to sheet across it and just leave the headboard, no design. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with that yet. But now this looks like a real ghetto setup, but they're just there to make sure when I make these side angles, none of it moves. But so it's just 100B 50 as well, and I've just laid it sideways for my tailboard. But yeah, I plan on just going angle there and then cross angle like that, and like that. So we'll see how it goes. Now I had to mute this section because my music was playing over the top. But so I've tacked it all up, and now I've got to make those little fill-in caps on the end of it and put my little metal pieces in to split apart the tail light. Right, I've welded up all the back frame, tail, well, I don't even know what they're actually called. But anyway, I've cut some little pieces to split up the tail lights and the backboard and all that sort of stuff. Did I get it the right way? I think so. And that's what it's going to look like. They're obviously evened out and all that sort of stuff, but yeah, and then it's going to have a check plate, 2 lights behind it. That's the same, my offcuts for the headboard. I thought, may as well just use up all the steel or use it for a tailboard. Thanks for watching. Come back for part 2. This is my first time doing videos, so sorry, it might not be the best and it's a bit choppy, but we'll only get better anyway. But